What's going on, guys? Just to let you know, my mom was hiding these fireworks, but they're from 2019. They're still good. I'm surprised, but I have two by class world-class fireworks, and I have four from Boomer Fireworks. And here they are. Got some of these. Hang on, can't get it to focus. Single day parachute by Boomer Fireworks. Night type single parachute with flares. And then a single day parachute again. And then we also got this by Boomer Fireworks. Red pearls, spring white glitter. By the way, we have two from World Class Fireworks over there. But this one's also from Boomer. Open that.
No, close it.
I can't see them.
We're home alone. Yeah, we have to. Turn on that.
I can't reach it.
What is that? What do you have in your hand, William?
Firework. This is one's also from Boomer.
I want some video about them.
And here's one of the world class. Small but good. It's a good crackler barrel. Good crackle barrel, good old crackle barrel. Yep, it is from World Class Fireworks. But then I have cover your ears. Yeah, here's the warnings. Shoots flaming balls. Used under adult supervision for outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. Place on upright and use only on concrete, asphalt, or other hard and level surface. This item may tip over if used on grass or other uneven surface, and serious injury could result. Never have any part of your body over the device when lighting the fuse. Light the fuse and get away. Never relight a rise which fails to ignite the device. Yeah, and that's cover your ears. 7 shots. By the way, I had to rip it open to show you. Yes, it is a cake, a 200-gram cake. I know what those are. Yeah, don't play stupid with me, because I do know what these are, though. They go up in the air, and they explode into cool colors. Yeah, I didn't get to light it, but we got all of these from like, basically, it was a long ways from here, that's for sure. And Goddard is where we got this one, and that, plus those. We got all of these from Goddard, except for that one. That one, actually, we didn't get from Goddard. We got that one from Kansas, where we live. Yep. See y'all next time. Peace.